All right, guys. I have a challenge for you. And I know that you can do it and that you're going to make great things. So today, during our class discussion, we talked about gingerbread. You have a link to a gingerbread library. And then I'm going to give you a link to decorate your own gingerbread house. And I'm so excited to see the creations that you make. But I wanted to do a quick video to help you put things on your house, okay? So you're going to come to this slide where it's the outline of the house, and then that's where you're going to keep coming back to. But you're going to decorate your house. So here's a slide with different doors. Here's different windows. Here's some ice and some snowflakes. Here's some snow, some decorations, some people. And then you don't have to do that part. Okay, so in order to get something from here to here, trying to figure out the best way to help you guys out, without being with you. That door is the exact same as that door, so I deleted it because you don't need two of the exact same doors, right? Alrighty. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick a door that you want. I want this door that's going from big to small. So I click on it, and you see how it gets this blue square around it? Now, if you're using a computer from home, you might have to ask your adult if it works the same way. But if you're using a computer from school, you're going to take your two fingers, your pointer finger and your middle finger. You're going to click both of those on the mouse pad at the same time. And then this little drop down menu is going to pop up. Okay? This second option, the first one says cut. You don't want to do that. The second option says copy. You want to click copy, okay? Then you're going to go back to your house. You're going to do your two fingers again. Click your two fingers on your mouse pad all at the same time. Now you're going to do paste. You want this third option. 1, 2, 3. It says paste, and there's a picture of a clipboard. You want to paste it. Okay. So I have my door. Is that where I want the door at on my house? Probably not. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my two hands. I'm going to use my one hand to hold down and click on the door while my other finger is dragging. And you guys have done click and drags before, so I think that you are pretty okay with click and drag. Okay? So then when my door is where I want it to be, I just click off of it and boom, there's my door. So let's say I want a window. I like this cute little window. I have a box around it, so I know that I'm getting the right window. I'm going to use my pointer finger and my middle finger, tap down on the mouse pad at the exact same time. And then I'm not going to do cut, I'm going to do copy, where it's like a square with like a shadow. I want copy, and then I'm going to go back to my house. And I'm going to do two fingers on my mouse pad. And I want 1, 2, third option, paste. And then remember, I'm using one finger to hold down on my mouse pad while my other finger is dragging the window where I want it. Okay? You can decorate and add as many things as you want to your house. If you want 2 windows, if you don't want any windows or doors, if you just want decorations, that's fine. It also works with this. So here's one kind of falling snow. Here's one kind of falling snow. Here's some colorful falling snow. I like this one, so I'm going to click on it. See my blue square that popped up? Okay, I'm going to use my pointer finger and my middle finger on my mouse pad at the same time. And remember, I want copy, the second option. I gotta come back over here, and I gotta go back to my house, and I'm gonna do my 2 fingers, and I'm gonna hit paste. And if I want my snow just to stay there, I could do that. And if I wanted a second snow, I could paste another one. And then I just have to move this one over here. So now I have two because I pasted it twice. If I didn't want to do that, I could take this, and you see how there's little squares around this big square? I could take and see how my mouse goes from the plus sign to just a line sideways. If I click down on my mouse pad and I drag with my finger, I can make my snow big. I could make my snow big. Let's say I want it to fall down over my whole house, so I'm going to take my mouse and I'm going to find this square right here until it gets to a line. I'm going to click down and hold down, and then I'm going to drag again, and now I'm going to have big snow that falls and covers my whole house. So there's all sorts of things that you guys can do with this, okay? I'm excited to see your creations. I know that they're going to be gorgeous. And just have fun with it, okay?